What's the meaning of curvature? Curvature. Curvature.
Curvature. Curvature. Curvature is a measure of how much a curve deviates from being a straight line. It tells us how rapidly the direction of a moving object changes as it follows a path. Curvature can be positive or negative, depending on the direction of the curve, and can be used to describe the shape of objects and surfaces in geometry. In real-world applications, curvature is important in fields such as engineering, physics, and computer graphics, where it is used to analyze and model complex shapes and systems.